Hi everyone, welcome to our new brand series where we'll dive into a powerful visual tool used in lean manufacturing, that is Kamishibai boards. Whether you are new to the concept or looking to sharpen your skills, this series will walk you through everything that you need to know. From daily management tasks to improving your floor efficiency, Kamishibai boards can help you streamline your processes in a simple and effective way. So let's get started and explore how these boards can revolutionize your workplace. You might be thinking, what I will learn from this series. Okay, from this series of videos, first you will understand how to create a card, Kamishibai card, and what is its format, and who should use this and why should. And I'll give you some of the examples, popular examples, and how the system works. Okay, how it works and how it will improve efficiency. Okay, and how it worked for me. We'll take examples and we'll explain you detailed, and then we'll go for Kamishibai for TPM. Okay, how it can be implemented in total productive maintenance and in 5S. To introduce you about Kamishibai boards, Kamishibai word is a Japanese word which indicates visuals. A Kamishibai board is a visual tool used to manage and track routine tasks, inspections, and audits in lean manufacturing. Whatever we are doing in routine, it might be the inspection, it might be the audit, okay, whatever the task, we can implement Kamishibai system into it. It promotes transparency and accountability by ensuring tasks are consistently completed on schedule and enhanced team communication. Okay, between whom? From bottom to up. Okay, from higher management to operator, it will help to enhance communication. And these boards helps to maintain operational standards and sustain those standards, and it clearly defines who has to do what and when they have to do it. And now let us understand how our Kamishibai card format looks like. This Kamishibai card is basically 3-inch wide and 8-inch tall a card. Okay, it is split into 8 areas. First one is our background color, which is used to define our frequency, whether it is weekly or daily or monthly or quarterly. Okay, in this background color is used to define that frequency. And second one is this uh, front end color. Okay, it will be either green or red. Okay, if your activity is okay, then green, and if not, then red. We'll discuss in upcoming videos about it, how this color coding works and all. Okay, and our third section is upper right box. Okay, this box is used to identify our shift, whether we are doing it in first shift, second shift, which shift. Okay, and this upper left box is used to identify the type of card it is. Okay, whether it is used to audit or inspection or to complete a task. And this upper box is used to define a specific area or a specific person in that value stream, and this lower box is used to define a specific machine, like for example CNC machine number this much, or milling machine number this much. Okay, like this we can define in this. And next the main area coming to this is body. Okay, where we have to write our tasks. For example, this card is used for 5 years, then you will have to write what are the uh, things that operator has to check. If it is for audit, then you will have to write what are the points that auditor has to evaluate. Okay, in this section. And this section, lower left side, it is used to identify tasks that has to be completed on which time. Either it is at the start of the shift, or at between the shift, within the shift, or at the end of the shift. At what time we have to do this task or perform this audit or inspection. And finally, this is for traceability of our cards, the card number. Okay, this is first card, second card, third card. For traceability, this box is used. Okay, and for detailed how it is going to, we are going to fill it, and how we are going to implement, and the color coding, in upcoming videos I will definitely explain all these things in detailed manner, so that you can understand it easily. These are some of the suggested background colors. Okay, I can say standards. Okay, light blue is for daily frequency, orange is for weekly frequency, and yellow is for monthly frequency. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to use these colors, but these are the standards. You can, it can be very organization to organization, people to people. There are no worries. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In upcoming video, we'll discuss about who should use this Kamishibai board and why they should use it. Bye bye. See you in next video.